Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. For those of you that are subscribed, thank you as always. And for those of you that are not subscribed, subscribe. I try to upload a new video every Sunday. I noticed everybody was jumping into the Halloween craft, so I figured I might as well get started. The first craft, I'm going to use this boo sign and this sparkling mesh that has the purple spider webs on there. I'm going to paint this black, the top and the sides. I'm using chalk paint, but you can use acrylic, and then you're going to want some Mod Podge. I am using this varnish. It acts just like Mod Podge. Next, I just cut a piece of this mesh, and now I am going to apply my varnish. Now I am just going to lay my mesh on here. This stuff does have glitter on it. So after this dries, I'm going to put another coat on there, and then I will cut it out. Flip it over and take my X-Acto knife and cut it out. Next, I'm just going to add these glitter spiders, hot glue them to my sign, and call it done. And there is the finished project. How cute is that? Okay, on to the next craft. For this craft, you need one of these 100-watt bulbs, gloves, safety glasses. Now, if you notice on the bottom, there's this metal piece of metal, and the black part is glass. And you can take your nail and lift up an edge of the metal part, and now we're going to take that off carefully. Put your safety glasses on, gloves, and grab your tool and just start working this back and forth gently. Like that. Next, I'm going to grab a small screwdriver. Next, you just want to grab your screwdriver and poke this. And actually, you want to flip it over onto your protective cover. I'm just using a grocery sack. And I'm going to break that. After you get your filament out, shake it to make sure you have all your glass out, and then just fold this up and throw it away. You can see all my scratches from trying to get the filament off, not taking the inside coating out, just by swishing it with some alcohol in there. So just throw some alcohol in there, swish it around, and rinse it out. Actually, if you don't put too much alcohol in there, it leaves this little glaze and it'd be kind of cool to throw a glow stick in there. But I want this clear, so I'm going to keep swishing with alcohol. Oh my goodness, the things you can do with this. A lot of people take cotton balls, stretch it out, shove them in there with some fairy lights, or you can put paint in there and swirl it around, which I have glow-in-the-dark paint. I thought that would look cool. But I'm going to do something different, and I'm going to be using this as a base. As you can see, I just painted the pumpkin vase with black chalk paint. It does look kind of boring right now, but wait till you see what it looks like at night. Okay, this camera does not do this justice. All I did was put a color changing LED candle in the bottom, and with the reflective sheen, the light just goes everywhere. And it's the bats on there. If you look on my ceiling, it kind of, like I said, the camera doesn't do it justice. For this craft, you want one of these signs, two of these Witch with the Cauldron cutouts, a box, a stick, and this color changing LED. I'm going to paint this sign with white. I already have acrylic white on here, so I'm just going to give it a couple more coats of acrylic. And on my witch cutout, I'm going to fill my holes with spackling, and then I'm going to take them and line up my cauldrons and glue them with my wood glue. And when that is set up, I'm going to paint it with black chalk paint. Next, I am going to paint this white disc into a moon. I'm a lousy artist, so I'm just going to wing it, so don't laugh. It is best to paint it while it is still wet. Yeah, I'm just going to do something like that. Let's see what it looks like when I'm done. I did a lousy job on my moon. I did add a little witch with my Cricut, and then I also just cut some flames and added it to the bottom of my box. And now I'm going to glue these two sticks to the back side. I'm going to glue a little bit right here at the bottom because my moon, here we go again, my moon will rest right on there. And now I'm just going to put a whole bunch more glue here. To attach my moon. Place something heavy on that. And while that is drying, I'm going to decorate my witch. And when it is all done, I will glue my witch right there. And this is what it looks like during the day. I wish I would have added some shoes to the witch's feet, but I still like it, so let's see what it looks like at night. And this is the project at night. Oh my gosh, I am loving this. Wait till you see the purple. Okay, until next time, everyone, take care of yourself. Oh, there's the purple.